Students, we are moving on new lesson in science 16. Water a precious resource. Precious means very valuable resource it is. Okay. So see this, read jal hai to kal hai. So if you have water, you can think of the future meaning. Okay. If you have water, then you can think of the future. See students, you are perhaps aware that, means you already know that 22 March is celebrated as the World Water Day. A school celebrated Water Day and invited posters from the children of your age group, okay? And some of the posters presented on that they are shown in figure point 16.1. See here, like these posters we are doing. Save every drop of water. You can save water. Every drop counts. My best friend, water. Like these posters we are doing and presenting that. We are also making the rallies also. See this. These are the posters are there. We are presenting this in the World Water Day. Just not present, we should implement that in our life. So what is the message you get from these posters? Write your observations in your notebook and discuss them in the class. In our house, discuss that. These messages means from these posters, which message we are getting here? So, water is very valuable. How much necessary is there? That much only use. Okay. So, don't waste the water. So, if you will not save the water, then future, how will become then? See, without water. Can we live without water? No. So, water is necessary thing. Okay. So without water we can't live, hence we should save the water. Hence how much we require, that much only we should use the water. Unnecessary, don't waste the water. So these messages means these posters giving like this message. Okay. Have you ever felt a shortage of water at home or at a school? In one situation, remember that. Sometime tap water not come means what will happen? Your parents or teachers must very often be advising you not to waste water. Teachers and in house your parents also always telling to you, don't leave tap, don't pour water here and there, don't waste water, like this advising. No wonder we celebrate water day every year to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water. Why this water day is celebrating? Through that we can our attention will go there and we can understand how the water will save or conserve that. Okay. So to understand the importance of water, the day is celebrating. The amount of water recommended, see here, the amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking and maintaining proper hygiene is minimum of 50 liters per day per person. Okay, in one day one person want 50 liters of water. In 6th class also we have studied that. Okay, we made their list and we have studied. Means at least 50 liters water one person want in one day. This amount is about 2.5 buckets of water per person per day. Means half bucket. That liters on the based on liters given here. Okay, there according to their some half buckets means 2.5 buckets become it is. Okay, 50 liters means. Okay, so is your family getting at at least this much of water? If yes, you are getting daily 50 liter water for one person, then you should consider yourself fortunate, because millions of people in our country do not get enough water. We will get, means we are happy with that. But in some regions, millions of the people, they are not getting daily 50 liter water per person. Like that also regions are there. What about your friends and their families? They are getting sufficient water or not? Share your experience with them. Okay. See here. In some places there is an acute shortage of water. See students, in some places there are so many people are getting very less water. Very much shortage of water. Acute means very much shortage of water. See here, there taps running dry, long queues for water. Have you seen this? See that in figure 16.2, like this queues, long queues for water, and fights, they are fighting each other to getting the water. Marches and protests for demand of water have become a common water. Okay, that is the common sight, that is this common picture. I think you also seen that. Okay, how the long queues and how they are fighting for water, especially during summer season. Some of the newspaper clippings shown in figure 16.3, see that clearly indicate this message. Observe this, newspaper clips are there, this. See here. Is it not true that we face acute shortage of water? Yes, we are facing acute shortage of water in some places. Very shortage of water, very shortage of water is called as the acute shortage of water. See students, one activity is there. Collect the clippings from newspaper like this and the magazines on the news items. Okay, articles and pictures related to water shortage. Okay, especially that coming in summer season and before summer season. Okay, paste them in your scrapbook, okay, rub book, and share it with your friends. List some problems faced by the people and discuss them in the class. Means how they have the problems related to water shortage. We can see the long queues, long lines. They will fight each other. Mine first, yours first, like this. Okay. So they are going to bring the water from 2-3 kilometers far. Okay. Water shortage has become a matter of concern throughout the world. This problem in all world is there that. Okay. It is estimated that in a few years from now, more than 1/3 of the people in the world could face water scarcity. See, still 1/3 people are facing the water scarcity. They are not getting sufficient water. 50 liter of water daily not getting for one person. Okay, before we friends, in year 2003, that year 2003 was observed as the International Year of Fresh Water to make people aware of this dwindling natural resource. See here friends, dwindling means fresh water means drinking water, usable water, potable water it is. Okay, so dwindling means the amount of water becoming less. Okay, so that year was observed as the International Year of Fresh Water to make the people aware of this dwindling natural resource, means awareing about the water, to save the water. See here, before we discuss why water is getting scarce, we must know how much water is available for use on our planet. This we will see in next period. Okay, today enough this much. Bye students.